Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we will log into our EC2 instance with PuTTY, and we will install Node.js as well as Node-RED. Now, one thing to note, let me go ahead and make myself small here. Node-RED does have an excellent tutorial on how to install Node.js and Node-RED on an AWS EC2 image that is running Ubuntu, which is what we had selected for our instance. So if you go to this link in a browser, there is a walkthrough tutorial where it makes it really simple to get Node-RED loaded. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do this. Let's open up a browser, and I'll go ahead and open up a new tab, and I'll paste, not that, let me get the image, let me get the link here to that Node-RED tutorial. Let me copy that and paste it into the browser. That's better. We'll open that up. Now it starts out, okay, running an AWS EC2 image with Ubuntu. We've already done this first part. We've already got all this configured. So all we need to do is go down to where it says set up Node-RED. Okay. And this will show you how to set up Node-RED and Node.js. It also shows down here towards the bottom, if you want Node-RED to start automatically whenever your instance gets restarted, you can use this to automatically start Node-RED. So if your EC2 instance in Amazon, if for some reason you stop this and then start it again, you can have Node-RED automatically start running again if you want. And we'll set that up. All right, so let's go and open up PuTTY. And let me scroll down here, PuTTY, and PuTTY. And what I want to do is, in my saved sessions in the last video, we already saved a session for our configuration called video_Ubuntu. So if I click on that and click load, it's going to load everything that I need to log in to my instance. All I have to do is click on open, and it will log us in. Okay. So let me scroll, let me move this over just a little, and let me scroll that down some. That's probably okay. Let's move that up. Okay. So again, what we need to do is we just need to copy these commands one by one into our instance and run them. So let's do that. So if I copy this first one, click copy, and paste that into our instance and hit enter to run. It's going through and doing that. And we'll wait on the process to complete here. Okay, we'll go and copy the second instruction command. Copy. And let's paste that command and hit enter. And we'll wait for that to finish. Still processing there. And give it just a little bit of time there. All right, it's processing something else there. We'll just continue to wait. There it is. Okay, so that's finished. And let's go grab that third instruction. We'll copy that, and let's paste that into PuTTY and hit enter. And we'll use that to install Node-RED. And you can see the progress there. It's extracting some files and refreshing some packages. Okay, so that's installed. Now if we scroll down in the browser here just a little bit more, push that up. Now if we want Node-RED to start automatically whenever the instance gets restarted, we can do these instructions. And you can do that if you like. I'll go ahead and do that. Copy that one and paste that into PuTTY and hit enter. And do the second one here. Make sure I get all of it. Copy. And let's paste that and hit enter. All right. Let's do the third one. Copy. And paste it. All right. And let's do this last one. Now, one thing to note after we do this last one, you'll notice it says this final command will prompt you to run a further command. So we got to make sure we do that as well. So we copied that, we'll paste it. Okay. Now note it says to set up the startup script, copy and paste the following command. Okay. So this whole command here, okay, we need to copy that and paste it. Where did it go? I may have done it already and didn't even realize it. Let's see. You know what? I'm not sure. We're going to do this one more time just to make sure. Yep. Okay, I did. So if I copied it and I just pasted it, it did that. So now Node-RED should run automatically for us even when we restart our instance. Okay. Now let's check this out to see if it's working. And the way we can do that is if we go into our instance, again, this is the public IP address of our instance. Let's copy that. Let me open up a browser and paste the address in. And remember, we said Node-RED is running on port 1880. So if I put in a colon 1880 and hit enter, we can see now that we can access Node-RED on our AWS EC2 instance right there. So at this point, we can go in and start adding things in from our widgets over here and bring in MQTT data and start doing all sorts of stuff. So that's what we'll do on the next video. We'll look at Node-RED. We'll install a couple extra packages into Node-RED so we can create some dashboards, and we'll go from there. So thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on the next video.